Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be doing a garlic herb chicken with potatoes. Now for this recipe I'm gonna be using 4 pieces of chicken thigh. Now for this type of chicken I always like to keep the bone in and the skin on. For this we're gonna be needing some rosemary. Now I have a few sprigs of rosemary, garlic. I'm going to be using a lemon. I have half a lemon here. I have another piece as well. And here for my dry ingredients, 3 teaspoons or 1 tablespoon of Goya edible. Here I have 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of lemon pepper seasoning, 1 teaspoon of edible, and 1 teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning. Here I have 4 red potatoes that I have cut up, washed and cut up. And here I have a mixture of herbs that I'm going to be blending. I have 1 pimento pepper, I have rosemary, quite a few sprigs of rosemary, I have thyme, I have garlic, about 6 cloves of garlic, 6 to 7 cloves of garlic, thyme, parsley, and green onion. So I'm gonna blend this all together. I have olive oil, poultry rub. Now this is very good. I love this poultry rub. Paprika and black pepper. So I'm gonna do the blend first and I'll be right back. So for this blend, I'm just going to be adding about 1 tablespoon of olive oil to help it blend better together, and I'll be right back. So I'm done blending this. Oh my god, look at the richness in here. You can see it on the cover. Okay, I'm gonna just get a spatula and get it out and get ready to start seasoning up the meats. Okay, so I'm gonna start with the seasoning. First I'm gonna put some olive oil, and this is what makes the herbs stick on your chicken. Just about a tablespoon. Next I'm gonna be mixing these together. Nicely mixed together. Okay, and now I'm gonna start putting the herbs on there. Well, the dried seasoning. And next I'm gonna go in with my green seasoning. Now I left some of it so I can season up those potatoes. Now I love my green seasoning, as you can see. And I'm gonna put some under the skin as well. Make sure you season under the skin of your meat as well. All under that skin. Next I'm gonna go in with that rub, that poultry rub. And my paprika. Not forgetting my black pepper. Now we're gonna just rub that in. So now I'm going to be doing the potatoes. I'm going to add some paprika. Black pepper. And just a little bit of that green seasoning, just a little dash. Yeah. Okay, so I'm just gonna start putting in the potatoes. Next, I'm gonna go in with my lemon. And my rosemary. And then my cloves of garlic. I'm leaving them in whole because I want them to have a slight roast. This is looking so good, guys. That's that herbs and spices. Yep, about to put it in the oven for about 1 hour or until golden brown, and I'll be right back with you guys. This is how it's looking 30 minutes in. I just basted it with its liquids that it sprouted. It has a really nice gravy going on. Yep, nice and thick gravy. My gosh, the kitchen is smelling good. I'm gonna put it back in for another 30. I'm gonna put it back in for another 30 and I'll be right back with you guys. And here you have it, guys, my garlic herb chicken and red potatoes. Yes. Video will be posted in the AM.